Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to downgrade your Gsuite account to a $6 monthly plan. Hello friends. So in this video, I will show you how to downgrade your Gsuite account to a $6 monthly plan. When we create a new Gsuite account, it usually uses a business standard subscription, which is $12, and sometimes we don't need to have these 2 TB storage and 150 participants, so we need to downgrade it to $6 plan. So let's get started and see how can we downgrade to $6 plan. Okay, so here is the Gsuite account and we can go to the admin console from here. In the admin console, we can see that there is the billing option in the navigation bar. We can go to subscriptions and you can see that it is Google Workspace Business Standard and we have to downgrade it to Google Workspace Business Starter. So we need to add or upgrade subscription, and on this page you can see Google Workspace Business Starter Plan and we can set to this. So I will click Start Free Trial. It will ask me for confirmation, and after checking the benefits, I will click Get Started. Okay, so it is a trial plan, and after this, it will charge me $6 per month. So I have to confirm that and then place the order. In this way, I can downgrade my subscription to Google Workspace Business Starter. And now Google will charge me $6 per month and I will keep using my Google Workspace account.